Whoa!
These carrots are so lush. I'll harvest them tomorrow. This won't ate them all. You'll pay for that. Darn it.
How to connect to the battery box. These push rods mixing with carrots. I'll use the mole from the Lego Investing with Moles.
Let's try one more time. I caught you. I defeated whole family here.
A long time later.
Finally, I can harvest them. My carrots.
Hamster trap.
I'm sold.
The saw blades trap. How to build the saw blades trap. Step 1. Build the base. Add the gears. Add the engine. Step 3. Complete assembly.
That looks dangerous. I need to be careful. I wonder.
Step 2. Build the cover. The retract plank strap.
Oh my god.
Criminals headquarters. Have you found out who stole all of my money yet?
Not yet, sir.
His boat and bring all the money back now.
Yes, sir.
How to build the wave machine. Step 2. Build the pedals. Connect wheels. Step 3. Connect to the engine.
The wave is huge. I'm feeling dizzy. Oh, stop, help me.
I'm so seasick.
My butt.
You bastards, kill him right now. It's guaranteed not to disappoint you. Okay, let's get started. Of speed. Let's go. 2. Sail. Let's go. 3. Let's go. 4. Climbing car. Speed test. Let's go. Impossible. Pass the or B-spool in a few seconds. Let's see how it performs in this test. End of the video. Let's go. 7. Big wheel car. Off-road vehicle to cross. Let's go. 1. Assemble the treadmill cover. Step 2. Install the gear system. Step 5. Install the motor into the treadmill. Step 6. Thank you for watching this video. In the previous video, we conducted the speed test to rolling car. Race car. Chain shaker. On-wheel car. Tall wheel car. Chain shaker. Sail car. Vehicle assembly instructions. The rolling car. The tall wheel car. The chain shaker.